Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E63S AMG. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 603 horsepower and 627 pounds of torque. This one does come with a lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, active curve illumination. This one also does come with 2 sets of tires, a set of winter tires, which are currently on their 19-inch wheels. V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus badging on the fender, a nut brown Napa leather interior, the AMG Dynamica headliner, a Designo black piano lacquer with flowing line trims, ambient lighting, rear spoiler, AMG E63S badging, clean set of all season and regular formats, comfort box for extra storage, premium 3 package with active blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sills, driver's assistance with speed limit assist, Distronic, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration, power shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a surround view backup camera with parking assist, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E63S has 50,646 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 certified pre-owned E63 AMG ES, visit us at feldmannimports.com.